Welcome to Aldershot, and John Searles Fair is in town. It's not in town with very many rides, but the rides that are here do look like something we want to go on. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Now then, as you can see on the left-hand side here, you've got some funky looking Dodgems with some wonderful lights. We're going to go and check those out. Got an old style Sizzler here, and then you've got the Music Trip Miami. That's to go with Showtime Funhouse. We've come across that a few times. A few juvenile rides and a bouncy castle. So rides. What should we do? Miami? Yeah. Let's go on to Miami. Ready? Okay. Interesting news.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that bar hurts me. Ow, it still hurts me. Oh, that really hurts me. Oh, that again.
Is that bar really that painful?
Yep. Ow. Oh. I don't want to go the other way. I'd rather stay this way. Both ways hurt now. Oh no. The no support. I'm gonna be alright.
We're gonna go to the left. Here we go. Ow. Now I get the shoulder.
Oh, why do we sit next to this bar?
Quick, go.
Yep. Back to the bar way.
What?
How was the Miami?
Good.
Music Trip.
Really good.
You haven't done that one before, have you?
Nope.
I've done that one.
No.
Good?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like it? It's only got lap bars.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Was it too fast for you? Why'd it hurt?
The bar!
It's got quite big bars. It is only lap bar, but it's quite big bars. But yeah, it did hurt him. Oh, the bloody UB40. Everywhere we go seems to play UB40 these days. Now these are pretty much brand new, these Dodgems, but they haven't actually put the lights up, which is a bit of a shame, so it looks a bit odd. Looks a bit odd. We'll go around and look at the front in a minute. The front lights aren't up either. Not sure we're going to do Dodgems. Seems to be the most popular ride here. There was no one queuing for Music Trip, as you may have seen from the video, and there was no one queuing for the Sizzler either. No one at all. I think what we'll do is we'll take you for a quick spin through what is here. There's not a lot here, but we'll take you for a quick spin what is here before we hit the next ride. Yeah, it's good looking Dodgems.
It is.
That's good looking Dodgems, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sister, just face her.
Oh dear, someone's on the thing over there. Can't remember what it's called, can't remember, life me. Wipeout, that's it. Someone's on the wipeout over there. Cody just said he nearly got knocked out. That's a good looking Dodgems that, but we are going to miss it today. We just kind of missed the big ride on it, which is a bit of a shame. Bit big for the fun house. I've been on that one before, you haven't, have you? You been on that one before? I've been on that one before, but I think we will do the Sizzler with, do we all do the Sizzler? I think we're going to go on the Sizzler. Oh, the Miami's just about to go around. Let's have another look at the Miami, and then I think we're going to hit the Sizzler. So there's not that many rides here, however, that was a good ride. I like Music Trip, and that actually looks really quick, that Sizzler, so I can't wait to get on that. So let's give some shots of this, and then yeah, we're going to hit the Sizzler, and maybe we'll walk around the fun house, maybe. And if there's enough people, we'll go back on the Dodgems, but we'll definitely get some shots. Sizzler time, looking forward to Sizzler.
Yeah.
So actually it's looked quite quick when we were watching it. It started off really slowly and we were a little bit worried, but then it's kind of picked up a bit of speed, so we'll have high hopes.
Yeah.
High hopes for the classic Sizzler, but let's see what this little beast can do. I've got some padding. You're going to squash me,
Yeah.
but I've got padding. And here we go. So you're going to squash me, but I've got padding. Only squash me once. Just come over this way and squash me. That's right, let's do this. See, I'll put my arm around you. Woo. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes!
It's not a bad looking Sizzler actually, is it, for a classic, to be honest? There he is there. This is a lovely subtle start, nothing too serious. Just a nice subtle start, isn't it? You liking it? Oh,
Yeah.
I spoke too soon. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Ah, we've got some pace now. Got some pace.
Yeah.
How you feeling about the pace?
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, pace.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. How you feeling?
Good.
It's steady. It's not got pace yet, but it's steady. It's certainly beaten some of the ones we've been on this year already. And as I say that, we're going again. Oh, here we go. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Oh, here we go. Oh my life.
I got it.
Oh yeah. This thing has some pace, I can tell you. Oh. What do you get that?
Good. Really, like really
Jesus.
speedy. Whoa.
Whoa.
Like the axle.
Whoa! Got some pace, Todd.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think it's done. Oh my God, it's getting quicker. Holy
my
shit!
God.
Oh my God, this thing is mental. Oh my life. Oh, Jesus.
Oh my God, that ended there.
Oh, the power burst at the end there was something else.
Yeah.
Oh, I know we're done. I don't think we're done, Cody.
Go again.
Oh yes. Oh my God, we're not done. Oh my God, we're not done. We're not done, Cody.
No.
It's not done yet. I tell you, this thing moves. Oh, Jesus.
Oh my
Oh my! Oh my! How'd you get that?
Really good.
Oh my god! Oh god! I tell you, that was quick. That was quick. Sadly, I missed the kid wipe himself out on the wipeout, which is a real shame. But that's a fair. It's a short one because it's a small fair. But I mean, wow, that twister.
Yeah.
Wow.
Best twister.
Best twister.
Well, one of.
One of the best twisters.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a brave statement there. So that is a classic twister, that one. It's not a new one by any means. It's really not. But oh my God, it starts off really slow. Kind of Hayden Island slow, and then it kind of picks up a bit and it goes at a nice pace, a really nice pace. And then it has a burst, a 15-20 second burst that is insane, arguably up there with the fastest ones I've ever done. It is so quick, and it eases off very slightly before a final burst at the end, and you'll see it there how quick that was thing going. We haven't sped up the footage. That was insane, absolutely mental. Kurt started that one out. He took some pictures for us, which was nice of him. And yeah, you did Miami. You did the Miami, which was music trip. You enjoyed that?
That was good.
And of course the Dodgems is it's not very many people riding. There's not many people here. It is the last day today, so the reason I think why everything's folded down, the guy was taking the signs off on the twister whilst we were going round with it, or the Sizzler whilst we were going round with it. So you know, there's not long left of this fair here in Aldershot. But wow, I tell you, a couple of rides, really good, really good. We kind of stopped in there on our way back from Fort Park, so it's of no hardship to us. We've not made a special journey for it, but yeah, really love that. You can see a music trip there. The Sizzler's just behind. See the lovely Dodgems. They are lovely, those Dodgems. I'd love to have seen it with the signs up just to see what the lighting's like on it. And then Showtime as well, which we've seen down south quite a lot. I'm sure we'll see these rides again as the year plays out. Here, there and everywhere, they travel all around, and we will keep an eye out for them coming back. But from UK Theme Parks, this is another fair vlog, and we'll see you next time.